Here we have a 2011 or 2012 61 reg California Ocean DSG. It's the 180 brake. Very nice clean condition. It's the one with the kitchen, the electric roof. It's the SE version. As you can see, it's got the 4-bike rack on the back. Detachable tow bar. It's got the comfort mattress. It's got the 2-burner gas hob, which has hardly been used, if at all. Gas bottles in the rear. It's got the sink, the fridge, table and chairs that stow away in the side door and the tailgate. Obviously the wind out warning, as you can see. It's got the front and rear parking sensors. Try and show you down the sides. You can see there's no dents, scratches or dinks. The opening side little windows there. There's a rear parking sensor. It's got the chrome protector, detachable tow bar. The bag and everything for that is in the drawer, which is under the rock and roll bed. We've got the full carpet set, front and rear, and it's clipping up where the leisure battery goes. In there, that's where the gas bottle goes, under here. Fuses. I will do some photos with the bed set up. That's your standard mattress. And then this has got the additional comfort mattress on it. All the cupboards are nice condition. More storage up there as well. You've got the double glazed rear windows. They don't steam up. That's factory double glazed. The blinds in there. That's where the chairs go. I've got them out at the minute. It's a Fiamo 4.5 awning. Factory, oh, that's the VW1. Now you've got the upgraded leather seats on these, so you've got the leather and suede. Got the rear digital panel. This is storage, you open it from this side. You've got the carpets. Carpet set, the lights. The seats are all very good condition. It's done 70,749 miles, I think it is. Oh, 70,970. It's got all the keys, the remote for the heater, which is there. All the carpets are very clean, tidy. I've tried photoing it the other way around with the seats around. You've got the electric folding mirrors. You've got cruise control with this one as well. Got the zip out line there as well, zip out windows. I'll show you under here. There's your sink. See the gas hob's hardly being used, if at all. And then you've got your fridge and basket, your wardrobe, vanity mirror. Got your full-size coat hangers on there. Pull down blinds, these fold away up the back, you want more light. DSG, heated seats, rear control panel, DAB radio. Saw the control panel there for controlling your fridge, your heaters and roof. I'll show you down this side, shows no dents or scratches. Again, little side opening windows. There's your awning handle. Look down the front. Unfortunately, the sun's very low, so you keep getting me as a shadow. Trying to stay out of it, but it's a bit difficult. You've got your hook-up lead when it's connected there. I'll show you inside the drawer. Obviously the white awning handle is on the awning at the minute, so it stows away in there. That's for your additional bike. Various different straps and stuff, and bungees, covers. There's your window covers for the front. Go around on there. All the rest of them got window blinds that pull down, and on this one here pulls down. Got all those on the front. You need those window covers. Covers are all good order, not all scratched up or battered. It's been cared for, it says. It's just all been fully serviced to include new Cambelt kit and water pump, which we have fitted and got the details and the paperwork to back that up. So thank you for looking.